How to create a hero section in Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a hero section in your Squarespace website. So first you can go ahead to the squarespace.com and then you can log into your account. After that, you can go to your dashboard and then you can choose the website you want to create a hero section. And then in this page, in this dashboard page, wait a second, in this dashboard page, you can go ahead to the website here on the left side, then you can click edit. So basically, this is my homepage. Oops. Yeah, this is my homepage. And this section is basically a hero section. So if you already have this one, you can just modify it. But let's say I'm gonna add a blank section. So I'm gonna add new hero section. So this is my blank section. I'm gonna, add a block. So let's say I'm gonna add image, and then I'm gonna, make it like um big, very big, just like that. So just like this. Then I'm gonna add an image. I'm gonna select from library. Let's see if there is a good image. What it is? Okay, stock image maybe. I'm gonna choose this one. I think this is good. I'm gonna modify it. Let's see. Let's make it, full. How to do it? Hmm. I'm gonna modify it, design, and what is this? I'm gonna choose fill. Nice. So it will be all of the block. And then you can also add a link if you want to attach a link here. And then you can also add an image or text, maybe like your company name or your website name, tutorials with Sena, like that. And then for the image effect, you can have it if you want to an effect, maybe this one, maybe this one, or maybe this one. It's up to you, I'm gonna make it none. And then you can also, if you want to add overlay, you can just activate it. And then you can change the color and also you can also choose plain mode, normal, or other option. After that, we're gonna add text on our image here on our section. So, oops. So you can click add block here and then click text. Then we're gonna add on the center of our hero section. Maybe this one. I'm gonna write maybe here we go. Just like that. Then we're gonna modify the text bold and then heading one. I will make it bigger, I'm gonna make it bigger, maybe like this, and then make it in the center of our section, just like that, or maybe little bit, you know, this one. And I'm gonna add my logo for just for example, I'm gonna add block here. So add block and then image, and then here in the bottom, in the top, and then in the center, and then I'm gonna select from library, maybe let's say this is my, my logo, add image, and then we're gonna fill, make it fit to the box. And then yeah, so let's say this is my logo, and then this is my description or tagline. So this is our new hero section. I know this is not good as this one, but this is just for example. You can explore more. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.